Welcome to this deep healing meditation, a sacred space for you to restore your body, mind, and soul. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once more, inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, healing energy, and exhale, releasing all the tension. As you breathe, imagine a soft, radiant light surrounding you, a warm glow of peace and restoration. This light is your healing energy. Now, let's begin the healing process with powerful affirmations. Allow these words to flow through you, restoring every part of your being. My body is a vessel of healing and renewal. Every breath I take fills me with life force energy. My mind is calm, clear, and at peace. I release all stress, tension, and worry. I am deeply connected to my inner wisdom. My soul is nourished, radiant, and whole. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. I trust in the natural rhythm of my body's healing process. I am worthy of love, balance, and deep peace. Feel these affirmations sinking into your being. Each word is reprogramming your subconscious, aligning you with a state of deep healing. Now visualize a golden wave of light flowing through your body. Starting from the top of your head, moving gently down your neck, shoulders, arms, chest, and all the way down to your toes. This light dissolves all tension, all heaviness, leaving you feeling weightless, restored, and renewed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself releasing anything that no longer serves you. Let go of pain. Let go of doubt. Let go of stress. You are safe. You are whole. You are deeply loved. Sit in this peaceful energy for a moment, allowing yourself to fully receive this healing. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently open your eyes. Carry this healing energy with you. Know that your body, mind, and soul are always working in harmony to support you.